Stock scenery, just broadly defined, is scenic elements that can be used as sort of building blocks to make a larger set. Fall into two categories: flats, which are false walls, or platforms, false floors, or what we stand on. Today we're going to focus on flats, so false walls. There are stock standard ways to do it. A stock piece of scenery like this, a flat, is typically 4 by 8, so 4 feet wide by 8 feet long or tall. We're going to frame this out, and there is a little math involved. Your parts are called rails, stiles, and toggles. We take our sharp pencil and our speed square and our measuring tape, and the first cut I'm going to make is my stile, my longer piece. With a chop saw or miter saw set at 90 degrees, touching the edge of that line. Now we're going to assemble just one corner of a flat frame. This is a rail. This is a stile. To make flats, we simply staple the frames and the skin together with some glue, or I can use this staple gun, eye protection. Complete this frame by adding another stile, another rail, and 2 toggles. That frame is then attached to this thin skin. That becomes a TV flat or hard flat. Having a stock piece that you can use over and over again saves you money over time. If you want to build something interesting with shape, then you have to add odd little pieces to the outside or to add varying shapes or interests. These can be altered in all kinds of ways. It's really just the building blocks to creating a larger set, if you will.